Welcome guys to the video, guys and gals. So today we are going to replace my wheel with this. Got this Viilante wheel, Galaxy, NRG short hub, or quick release, my bad. And then I have the Viilante short hub. So I'm gonna try to film it. Hopefully I can do so. Alright, first things first, pop this little cover off. This isn't gonna be a how-to, but it is also hot in here. I'm gonna want that down. That down, but hopefully it don't rain. I don't want to do that in. Alright, like I said, it's not a how-to. Man. Don't worry about the steering wheel thing. I don't have a horn. At least it doesn't work. So, rip that off. Toss that. Looks like a 19. Hopefully it's not bigger than 19 because I only have a 19. So, anyways. Yeah. Hopefully the old 3/8 can rip it off. Beautiful. Right. Alright. Old wheels off. Simple as that. So I think while I'm here, I'm going to do new meter lights. Which pretty much already taken apart. So I got some purple. Oh, they're in my pocket. Oh. Got some purple ones. Amazon special. They're supposed to be purple though. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna do that before I do the steering wheel because why not? I'm here. So I'll catch you up when I got stuff out. Alright, well, I don't have the correct socket. I didn't bring all my stuff to do this. I forgot about the 2 bolts that drop the steering column down a little bit to get the little plastic shroud off right here, this guy. So I'm just gonna do the steering wheel for now. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I start putting that on. Alright, well, so I kind of got the short hub on, off. Granted, my steering wheel is off because my alignment's way off. Because when I put the new knuckles, or not the new, but the knuckles on it when I got the car from my buddy, I didn't bother centering the rack, and so yeah, everything was off. I'm not going to change it now because I have new tie rod inner and outers that I got to put on. Then I'll center the rack, install those, and then I'll fix the steering wheel later. But I got the short hub on tight, and then I put the quick release on. I finally figured out where to mount it to where the button's accessible and it's not too far off, so you know, check it out. Exciting stuff. So hopefully it's, you know, solid. So far it seems pretty tight. So sticks out quite a bit, a little bit more than I'd like. I mean, it'd be nice to actually have this wheel sit like that. Might be hard to tell, which is about where the factory one is. But I also want the quick release, so I'm gonna run it with it kind of far out, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it is when I'm driving down the road and stuff. Couldn't do the dash lights because I don't have the right socket to do the drop the steering column. So anyways, I'm gonna finish up, get the rest of this all tightened up, and then after that I'll do you know, quick little montage of what it looks like, and then go drive it and see how it is. Alright guys, so finally got this all together. Cleaned it up a little bit. I got all my fingerprints all over it. And I like it. It's solid. The column moves a little bit, but it's not that bad. Honestly, almost every vehicle I've owned personally seems to have some kind of movement in that column. Even on my Tundra, it's the same way. But I don't think it's a safety issue. So yeah, got it all together. Quick release, short hub. Sticks out a ways. The other steering wheel is about here. Looks out probably about another inch or two. But it's not too bad. I'll just have to play around with the height to figure out how I want it. I can still reach, you know, the turn signals. It's a little bit of a stretch, but yeah. This is actually my first quick release steering wheel, or quick release on the steering wheel. All the other cars I've had were just the, you know, steering wheel on the hub, so. But this car specifically, I wanted a quick release just, you know, because safety-wise, as far as hopefully keeping people from trying to steal it, but you never know nowadays. But and then I had my wife come out, bring me some glass cleaner so I can clean up in here and clean the wheel. And I was telling her how I couldn't do the dash lights because I didn't have the sockets. And then I realized I bought a little toolkit for the truck, and I put it in here when I was working on it last. And so I do have the sockets. So now I'm going to take this all apart again. Luckily, the short hub, I don't have to take off. I just pop the quick release off, undo all the plastics, drop the steering wheel column down, get the shroud out, and then pull the cluster, and then put the lights in. And I figured, might as well just do it because I'm here. And I know if I don't do it right now, I'm going to not want to do it later because I've already got this far today. So yeah, anyways, stay tuned, guys. Man, what a pain in the ass. I don't remember it being this difficult to pull the cluster out, but finally got this back out. I got the steering column fucking down. I just got the 3 screws and then I can throw them in. But yeah, this is a major pain in the ass. Like, for some reason, I don't know, I think it's because of the tilt here, which I thought you could slide this off, but apparently not. So, anyways, I got it. So I'm gonna unbolt it, throw them in, test it, make sure they all light up, and then throw it all back together. Yeah. And put a purple one right there. Don't see it yet. Probably backwards. Okay. Try it. That kind of hard to see, but yeah, that's gonna be sick. All right, let's do the rest. That. Oh man, that's sick. I think I need a new light for that. But we'll check it out real quick. But man, that's sick. Can't wait for nighttime. So rad. Oh yeah. Why not? Dex 194. Video does no justice. Alright guys. Little update. So put the kick panel down or back on. Little hood thing. When I bolted to the factory spot, it doesn't want to latch on the hood. So for now it's gonna hang. I might throw some hood pins in there. But yeah, it's looking good. Now I'm just gonna clean up and call it a day. Alright. Got it all on. Got that purple in there. Looks really good. I even tried to clean a little bit. Obviously I gotta do the door panels more. The dash better, but clean the window a little bit. Clean the visors, which are kind of moldy, which probably need to be cleaned more, but not bad. Cheetah, if anybody's a Dragon Ball Z fan. Yeah. So yeah, I'm stoked. Well, I'm a total noob and forgot to film an outro in the car, but went and drove it. The steering wheel's actually pretty straight from having to mess with the short hub and stuff. But yeah, it was awesome. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you like this kind of content, like the video and sub to the channel. Thanks guys. Later.